Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom's first dance in Glam Magic Power. This beautiful ball gown is a sought-after item, and I'll guide you through the exact process to add it to your collection. It involves a few simple steps within the game world, leading to a special reward. Let's dive into how you can make Bloom shine in her first dance attire. Your journey to obtain Bloom's first dance begins by finding a specific location. Head towards the grand staircase in the main area of Glam Magic Power. Once there, carefully observe the surroundings. You'll discover a discreet door situated at the rear of the staircase. This is your crucial first step, so make sure you locate it precisely before moving forward. After successfully finding and passing through the hidden door, you will find yourself in the designated party room. This vibrant area is central to unlocking Bloom's first dance. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, as the next step depends on your presence here. The atmosphere of the party room sets the stage for what's to come. The final step is to simply wait within the party room. You must stay there until the in-game environment transitions to nighttime. As soon as darkness falls, the game will automatically grant you Bloom's first dance ball gown. You'll also receive a special badge, signifying your successful completion of this quest and the addition of this elegant outfit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.